Check 1 2 1 2 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, hello. This is the official stream test. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4.
3, 2, 1.
Very good.
That was yours. I stole it.
Oh yeah, thank you.
And then I literally couldn't find like the ones that it came with, but it's just the USB-C.
Yeah, you didn't need anything. Check, 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 check.
Should we put it over there then? So it's just by all means, I do not come anywhere over here because that would fuck it up. Wait, why is it not doing it now? Oh, two happened. So maybe we put like a. Could we do tape like right here or something then? On the ground.
If you put it on this side of the podium, they're not going to walk over there.
Right. Okay.
So we can get it up a little. Can you give me some more slack? And then I would run all this behind here so it looks a little bit cleaner.
Yep.
Can you pick up this chair?
Oh, this is my thing too.
And I'm just gonna go like this.
I love this shit because you just gotta tell people what's good. Like you're telling me what's good. Yep. So it sounds great, whether you're here or in the back of the room.
Okay. So you just want to confirm that because there's a central system in the room, right?
So we didn't end up doing that for the live stream purposes because we wouldn't be able to have the audio for the live stream. So what we're gonna do, like outside with the TVs, we're just gonna turn the volume up, so they'll be able to hear the volume in here.
Understand.
Yeah. Also, sorry about earlier. I was just trying to figure out like the best solution.
No, it's
So.
okay. I mean, I don't want to offend you, but I think, I mean, because we are training for them, right? We are training for them. I mean, we are training a startup.
Yeah.
So we don't want them to actually spend it there, and then you have a podium, it's actually feel more.
Got you.
Serious
I like
and-
that, like training the startups.
Yeah.
Like that's a
No,
good
but
way to think about
it's
it.
good that you, I mean, communicate with me and you give the suggestion and also kind of experience talk about, what's good looking from the camera. So I think both is good.
I was gonna
There's
look
no-
good regardless, and yeah, my
Don't worry.
apologies.
No.
Cool.
It's good. Very
Thank
good.
you. All right. Huh? Oh. Well, nobody's tuned in yet, and we also haven't turned on the volume outside. Huh? We also haven't turned on the volume outside. Well, when we distribute it afterwards, we're gonna cut the beginning. How about that? Cool. Thank you. Yeah, my thing was just aesthetics, and I didn't know what she was like going for. So.
You never know until the actual decision makes or something. Final comment, then you're
that's what like I was just like, is she like was she like, and then she was just like, and then I like got the person that I thought was actually the decision maker, and then she was just like, yeah. And that's like the direct, like the producer, yeah. Yeah, ceiling, volume, whatever it is. Oh yeah, yeah, and then it was like it's stuck.
If you turn it on, it should. Check, check.
Well, it's plugged in, so. going to go turn on the volume for the TVs so that it'll stream the audio.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Hi, everyone. We will start very soon, but I just want to talk to our startup here. So you know all your sequence, right? Okay. So yes. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay. So you are the first one. No. Okay. So maybe not sitting here then. Okay. So what I need from our startup is I need 3 startups to sit here. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and accordingly. Is that good? Understand? Okay. So who's the first one? You see? Okay, go find your colleague. Go find your cohort.
大的门不要关了，就让它自然进去。因为里面很热，你就可以开始了，不用一直去叫人进来。
How's everyone tonight? Okay, let me try it again. How's everyone tonight? See, that's the startup spirit. He's the only one startup here, and you're not. You're a senior citizen. Okay, let's start. My name is Jessie. I'm presenting as E3 Industrial Technology Research Institution. And the whole program, I mean, the TACC Plus program, Taiwan Accelerator Plus, is run by SMESA, which is Small and Medium Enterprise Administration. So you already met GJ Lee, and he is currently not here, but we will wait him a little bit. But just make sure that all the startup who is preaching will be here. So you are the second one. You are really good. So the first one we haven't. We are missing. You know, there's a missing person. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. So you are. Yeah. I was looking for Dr. Chen, but I cannot find him. So it's a really special event and also place today. So I want to why I'm sitting here. Do you know? No, I also don't know. Anyway, so there's a live stream actually, and make sure that all the startup people who want to come to the stage and to give a speech, make sure that when you move around, not moving to this side or not walking to the audience because you will be live streaming. So standing here, you can be freely, give the speech and then making friends and all of that. It's a really casual event, so just relax. And if it's too hot, then just take it. I'm sorry. Just take it. I mean, we are from Taiwan, so make sure the heat actually transferred to all the guests here to making them feel the hot of Taiwan. Okay? Okay. So can we get GJ Lee to come? But we will start anyway. No, it's okay. Just have the door open. Okay. So I forgot the technology. I thought I have to, ask Ellen to actually do the switch. It's not. Oh, okay. As you know, that a lot of our guests, honorary guests, is already give the speech of how many startups today. So there's totally 37 startups with us for the Taiwan delegation. But same time today will be 25 startups to do the pitch. And then there are also a booth around. So if you're interested in talking to anyone, they're all around. And if there are not on the booth, but they are, still around. So try to make sure that you talk to 1 or 2 or 3 startup today. And then if you are interested in do the investment, we will be really happy to hear about that. And if they decided to land in US, I think everyone will be also happy about it. So that's not delay further. And we have different categories. So as you can see, we have biotech, we have energy, we have defense, and also we have precision making. So let's welcome our first startup, Matt AI. So I heard from the other founder, Dr. Chen, he shared a really interesting story. So that's why I was looking for him. Oh, okay. But, welcome. And then let's do a pitch. And it will be 2 minutes presentation. So, yes. Are you ready? Okay. You're really confident. That's good. Okay.
All right. Hello, everyone. We are from Taiwan, Kaohsiung, southern part of Taiwan. We are United Kaohsiung AI Medical Corporation. Okay. Our product very easy. Okay. Just use blood and urine data input our AI system, 1 second, we'll let you know you have larger or equal 0.4 centimeter kidney stone or not. That's it, okay? Since we all come to USA right now, so make America great again. God bless Taiwan.
So the interesting story that I heard. Yeah, whew. the interesting story I heard from the team is after they started the company, and they actually found life and work balance. So it is really interesting because usually when you found a company, you will feel like life and work is not balanced anymore, right? But after they started the company, they feel that. So go talk to them. It's really interesting idea. Just find them. Okay, so next one is actually our close friend. So before the delegation, we went to Kaohsiung to visit him. Kaohsiung, no, Tainan, yeah, Tainan to visit him. It's also hot, like current temperature now, and it's really a touching story. So I brought my team to interview him, and then all my team actually cry after the interview. So it's only 2 minutes, but talk to him after. Okay, let's welcome Alan.
Hello, everyone. Oh, yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Alan from the ABDG Health. Hi. We are a biotech company focusing on improving the woman health and the success for the in vitro fertilization. Today, despite the intensive treatment, the successful rate of the IVF still about 40%. That means many patients go through the multiple failed treatment, which may lead to the stress, emotional stress, and the high patient dropout, and also the revenue loss for the clinics. We believe IVF shouldn't be the trial and error process. Here, we provide a very critical method, but it's very simple. We help the clinics to choose the best embryos at the first time. Our software, IC1, is the first AI-driven embryo selection platform built on the genomic data together with the maternal clinical features. Our model reaches 92% prediction accuracy. And more importantly, the real-world data shows that IC1 can remarkably increase the successful rate up to 81%, nearly doubling the clinical outcome compared to the conventional approaches. It's not just the better technology, but it's also a shift toward the precision medicine for the reproductive care. Our IC1 has obtained the FDA Class 1 software as a medical device listing in the United States. And we have shown the strong tractions in the Asia countries. Now we are scaling globally. We are looking for the strategic partners such as IVF clinics, or the genetic testing lab, as well as the investor who want to be in part of the transforming reproductive medicine. So if that sounds relevant to you, I would like to connect at my booth. It's downstairs. When you go, just direct through the stairs. Okay, so let's see you later. Thank you so much for attention.
Thank you, Alan. I'll just give it to you. Okay, our next one is actually before DC, we went to LA first, and he's a winner, right? He's a winner team of LA competition. So that's welcome Dot Space.
Hello, everybody. Actually, I'm the ex-Googler from Google X team. So I quit my job to do another moonshot project for the Dark Space. Dark Space is the widest medical device company. Our technology transmits the wireless signal through our body. So our first product is for the intra-abdominal hypertension. So this kind of patients in ICU, almost 60% of patients, suffer from the bladder pressure measurements, which is very painful and uncomfortable. And if you miss the diagnosis, the mortality rate is around 50%. It's very dangerous. So we developed the world's most Bluetooth digital capsules. So these digital capsules can be swallowed or delivered to the ICU patients. So when they deliver, we can real-time monitor these patients and collect the data. And moreover, actually, we are the only one which can collect the continuous pressure waveform. So we also use this pressure waveform for the organ failure predictions. So we are not only the hardware, but we also do some software. So we just published a very good journal last month. So for the organ failure predictions, a lot of physicians, they are very excited. This new technology from the hardware to the software to help the people. So we are looking for some cooperations with the hospitals, physicians in the United States. And my booth is also in the downstairs. Just touch me, and if you have any questions, yeah, we're very welcome. Thank you.
I just want to make sure that everyone actually see the capsule, right? Yeah, so they are really cool. Like, so in the whole delegation, there's few guys actually have, you know, like special stuff in their pocket. And every time when they talk, they will just like grab it out. So just, you know, like make sure you actually see
This
the
is
capsule.
the
So
smallest
it's
one. Yeah,
yes,
this
in
is
the
our
world.
technology. So yeah, because my background is kind of transmit the wireless data through the body. So this is why Google recruit me. Now I try to contribute more for the patients. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Our next one is Mega Pro. So GJ Lee just shared the good news with everyone that they got announced to do the tomorrow's final presentation, final pitch. So we really looking forward, like all the pressures give to you, in a way.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So the floor is yours.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Mega Pro is a biotechnology companies with a clinical stage and the nanomedicine driven technology platform in nanoparticle and nanomicelles. Our lead programs is Region Trace. It's a next generation traceable cell therapy by using combined to well-characterized cell adipose-derived stem cells with our proprietary clinical validated cell tracer, iron oxide nanoparticles. We will not only be able to pinpoint the cells after they infuse into a cell body, into the human body, but we also can create a synergistic effect with stem cells. And by increasing the angiogenesis to form the new blood vessel and restore the blood flow in the body, as well as improve the anti-inflammatory effect to slow down the disease progression. In the clinical study, currently we are seeking the 10 million US dollar Series A fund and trying to build a US subsidiary.
So let's welcome FMG Biomat. You know, even with AI, we still have technology problems. So, technical.
Okay, good evening. I'm Dr. Lin Huang, CEO of FMG Biomat, and
Thank you so much. Hello, hello. Okay, it's working now. Which one you want?
Oh, hello. Okay. 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 Hello. Hello. We're good. Okay. Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Bing. Hi, I'm Bing from Precise Map Biotech. And at Precise Map, we believe every antibody is very powerful to attack the disease. But without a precise control, it may also cause damage to the normal tissue. So we provide a technological universal antibody lock, which is a masking technology, could block the antibody binding to the normal tissue. So when the lock antibody travels into a tumor site, the tumor-associated protease, just like a key, could open our antibody lock. So our lock antibody could attack the tumor and kill the tumor. So this is our lead product's progress. It had been achieved that could reduce 40 times in skin toxicity and also could achieve tumor-free with only 2 injections in tumor-bearing mice. So with this progress and our 18 granting patents and 11 proof of concept antibody assays, we are now asking for 6 million to advance our lead product into the clinical trial and also expand our business in the US. Thank you.
Okay. Wait. Let's stand here.
Okay. Hello.
It's okay. So we're saying like we will pick up 3. So what's my name?
Jesse.
One is yours. Okay, let's do one more. 2 more. Let's do Zach. Zach. Who is the person behind you? Next, but there's different directions, all right? So who's the person behind you? L? Okay. So let's do one more. We call it's like 3C technology, distant. Who is the person next to you?
This is Jing Chao. He's the master poker player.
I think we met 2 years ago, right? Yes. Okay, let's welcome our next startup. Let's see. Expercy. Are you ready? Okay.
Hi, everyone. I'm the Yu Qu, and I represent Expercy. And Expercy is just a focused regenerative medicine. And as we know, the surgery it's only half the battle. The real challenge is healing. So that's a doctor cannot do for you. And actually, we are just focused to that post-surgical adhesion. And for the patient, you will face to that just severe corneal pain or even needed to reopen it again. So for the healthier systems, that's me cost the $1 billion each year to you may need to the reopen and also repeat the surgical. That's really costly. And how can we do that? We redesign the material to fit your body needs, and then you can just avoid that risk. And as our first product is corneal spina, and that's for the spine surgery. As we know, spine it's a really complex structure, so it's hard to opening, and we think it's just injected. And once it injected to your body, it will turn to the gel by through your body temperature. So you don't need to do the other thing, and it can protect your nerve root until it just cover back. And don't worry, they will not stay there forever. It just stay maybe 2 weeks. And once your body heal, it just disappear to like the carbon dioxide and the water. So it's quite easier. And you can just 100% healing, and you don't need to worry about they will stay in your body. So our thing is just not be the promising, we just be proof. So we will clean all the FDA's regulatory, and we will finish our ISO facility the end of this year. And we are looking the sites, maybe the in the United States, probably the first quarter of the next year. And we are looking for the our strategy partners for our next generation's product, like the osteoporosis. So join us, and the experts believe every patient needs to fully deserve the fully healing and no pains lifetime. And join us, and really thanks all this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I mean, I wish I don't need it, but I think our future is count on her. Okay. Okay. So next, I mean, it would be really cool that if you can name your company by your name. Is that right? So this is the case of, it's pretty similar to your name. No? Kind of? Kind of? Okay, let's welcome Cole from Coherence.
Hello, good evening. My name is Cole. I'm the founder and CEO of Coherence Bio. So before starting Coherence, I worked for IBM Watson Health. And one of the key lessons I learned from commercializing AI healthcare solutions is that AI can ingest and read tremendous amount of biomedical literature, but reading is not learning. So in order to learn, AI actually has to interact with the real world. And in drug discovery, that real-world evidence comes from the wet lab. But today, wet lab process is basically a broken, a fragmented relay across different people, different machines, and different places. So it takes a long time for you to get the result back, while AI can propose drug candidates within a matter of hours. So at Coherence, what we did is we developed a solution called Keystone that integrate the entire workflow. So from cell seeding to media exchange, incubation, to dosing drugs, and imaging. So we combine all of that into a single end-to-end continuous workflow. So by doing so, we also can provide more data for AI learning. And so we're here because we're developing partners in the US, and we're looking for landing options and fundraising opportunities. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, please talk to me. Thanks.
I'm not sure people still using I'm going to Google it, or people were using I'm going to Jupyter it. So this startup, I actually need to make sure that what's the pronunciation, and it's not working. Oh. Oh, okay. Wait, no. Uh-oh. Okay, this one. So who say that? Anyone? You say it? Okay, let's try.
Plasmonictron.
Okay, let's welcome Plasmonictron.
So I just learned it the hard way that I should have named the company by my name, so it's much easier, right. So, yeah. So we're Plasmonictron. So simply put, we create organoids. So in a simple way, we sell organs, but the legal ones. So we create organoid out of tissue entirely, without use of any animal or human sources. We particularly focus on ocular organoids, so basically the eye tissues right in your eyeballs. So those are very important, needless to say, because it has vast and tremendous applications. What you see here, like a tiny piece of boba, is actually a cornea created out of dish without use of any animal or human tissues. We create those tissue every 25 to 90 days, all the way from cornea to the back of your eyeballs, retinas. Those tissues have tremendous applications. For example, those used by our UC or by partners in the hospital for transplantations of retina directly into the eyes for vision restorations. All the way to the most down-to-earth and relevant application you can imagine, from cosmetic tests to the potential damage that AR glass may bring to our eyes. People must have considered that, right? When we bring eyeglasses with lights to our eyes every single day. But would you try that on a human? No, that's something that will not do. So we have IEC tell you that, okay, it's safe, but maybe it should be tested with tissue too, right? So that's how organoid is transforming the industry as a whole, because we are bringing you the human tissues in their chemical properties, physical forms, without use of any human or animals, that we believe will change the landscape of testings, transplants of tomorrow. So that's what we do. But I'll name my next company in my names. Yeah. Great to talk to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I think that would be easier for us. Okay. So maybe next time, name the company with your own name, but also the technology behind. So all the biotech is really, really hard. It's like you putting all the word together, I can understand, but also at the same time, I don't understand. Okay, that's here from Fluid Connie.
Thank you, Jessica. I think if next time I rename my company, it's not really my company, my CEO's company. So I will tell him to rename his name to this company name. Okay, everyone, my name is Cher. I'm from Fluid Connie Biotechnology. We develop MasterLab platform that is for preclinical drug evaluations. Nowadays, for the drug evaluation, most companies they are leveraging the animal models, but that poorly represent human tumor biology. And also the drug efficacy and toxicity is also validated in clinical trial. That will be leading higher failure rate and cost. So our expertise is a special design tumor chip with high fidelity design, so we can recreate the critical tumor biology with up to 91% in vivo similarity. And the second one is our system. Our system is a fully high throughput, fully automation screening system that can capture the real-time drug response. So that's our technology specialty. Okay. Because we have the automated imaging and the quantitative analysis, let me bring now one successful story from our clients. They are looking for, they provide 12 candidate drugs for screen the top 2 or top 3 candidates by using our system, we cut the screening time from 6 months to 2 weeks. Okay, so I think the last part I want to. I think everyone in your mind, maybe you want to ask me one question. What's the differentiation between our tumor chip and the other organoid chip company, right? Yes. Every time we pitch, every time this question coming out to us. Okay, I think our expertise is for the intratumoral heterogeneity, but the other company, they are focused tissue and vessel interface. That's a main differentiation. Okay, now we want to have the business connection with United States CRO company, research institute, and the BioHub for our global service validation. Okay, come to us, and we can work together. We can speed up the path to the clinic, save animals' life and our life. Thank you.
Thank you. So we still have like half of the team, so make sure that within 2 minutes and you have to finish it, and then making sure that you are, looking into Ellen, she's doing the circle, and 2 minutes, or I will, gently move you out of the stage. Good. Are we good? Okay. Let's welcome Voltasphere.
Thank you. So my name is Vivian Yang. I'm the co-founder, CEO of Voltasphere Technology. So Voltasphere, we make high-performance battery modules for unmanned systems, AI platforms, and we are supported with a non-red supply chain. And we are planning on establishing production in the US. So we are bringing our products to the US to serve premium B2B customers like OEMs, system integrators in the areas of defense, infrastructure inspection, and agriculture. So our goal is to become the market leader by standardizing batteries for unmanned systems and making production faster, more scalable, and more cost efficient. Our technology builds on 2 pillars. The first one is a disruptive balancing charging system that can make the battery lifespan extend by 3 times. We already have 2 patents on that, and we're developing 2 more. And we're building a prototype for that. And the second technology, also very important for critical mission operations, is a niobium-based battery that can operate under extreme weather, like minus 40 degrees Celsius. And it can also allow low heat signature, which means when the vessel's operating, say in the sea, it will not be, it will not be easy to detect it. So manufacturing is very hard. Elon Musk said it's 100 to 1,000 times harder than designing a product. And US production is harder. Okay, so why do we think we can make it? We can establish ourselves in the U.S. We have assembled a very strong team. So in addition to the technical team, very complete with expertise in production, supply chain management, project management, and R&D, of course. We also have this team that has previous successful experience in delivering multi-billion dollar projects. I myself, I have raised more than $300 million for Polosium, which is a solid-state battery company. And I raised 1.5 billion euros for them, for their French gigafactory. And we also have other members, and I need to go. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.
She's dragging me out. No, I just want to make sure that because it's really, Taiwan weather now here. So I just want to make sure that everyone is comfortable. We finished like a little bit faster. So you can actually go outside, cut the cake and then enjoy the thing. Okay? Okay, it's your time.
Hello, my name is Kai, and I'm from Pearson EV. We make the AI battery intelligence system. And what's for the drone, for EV vehicle, and also for the airport ground vehicles. And why we need this module? Because we have 3 parts for the product. It is like an AI battery monitor system. So the first box will be the device. We input is plug and play into the battery system, and we can monitor all the battery if it's healthy or not. And from there, You will collect the data and send over to the cloud system. We call it the cloud AI, and you will analyze and diagnostic the battery health. From there, and then you will send over all the data information to like a chatbot. It will send a message and warning to our smartphone by email or text message, and that way we can know the warnings information right away from our iPhone, like an iPhone watch. So we just need one person. He can even monitor 10 up to 100 and thousands units just by one person, and from there he can manage and prioritize the maintenance. And
Thank you, Kai.
Thank you.
Yeah. Are we still holding here? I mean, like, is the temperature okay? Do you hotter? Okay. Do we need a break or no? No, we don't need a break, right? Okay. So let's just keep continue. And like, I don't really want to get on screen. I mean, I don't want to do the live stream, you know. So just make sure that within 2 minutes, or I will stand here with you. Okay. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. My name is Jerry Liao. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Seeing Display Technology in Taiwan. Today, I'm very pleased to introduce the world's first memory type, the smartphone. What's a smartphone? Okay, because in the past, perhaps you know like dynamic glass or maybe privacy glass. Because for a company like Sage Glass, is the main difference between our technology and the current technology. If they want to change the light status, okay, they must continue to charge the power. So it means it wastes a lot of energy and cost. And our technology is unique and advanced technology because our thing with a memory function of light status. People just need to switch 2 to 3 seconds once. And the technology will memorize light status, like say forever. Okay, it means we can save a lot of energy compared to current technology. So currently we are seeking for pre-A round fundraising around $2.2 million. We hope to scale our production and the sales, and also to recruit talents and also to accelerate the market in USA. So if you are interested into this technology, seeing is believing. Later, please welcome you to see my booth. I will give you a live demo. Thank you.
It's a really good job. I met him last year and asking a lot of things, and I don't understand at all. But this time, it's really good. Yeah. So make sure that you talk to him. Okay. Our next one is silicon material. Welcome.
I'm Jeremy Lee, and we are Silicon Materials. We are spatial modules providers for our for drones, and as we know that energy density is and the geometry issues is the big problems in UAVs. Silicon is the alternative for high energy density UAVs. Based on our technologies, we can download our nano silicons into increase our collection rate from 20% to 90%. And based on this, with this flexibility, we can customize our battery modules for our customers, which means that we can make a cheaper drone modules for our customers. And besides that, because of our investment partnership and the partnership with in the chain, we can prove 100 Taiwan-based production models for our customers. This means that we'll give the non-FEOC compliant options for our customers. And here we'll find our partnership in the US market. Thank you for it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, okay. I think it just, the room is not really fed. You know, like in Taiwan, we have a guai guai thing. Yeah. So, hi, where's hi? Yeah. So, yeah, I will bring you sound next time. Okay, to make sure that all working. Okay. So let's welcome our next startup. Can you just, because I cannot really walk there.
Hello, everybody. My name is Yiling. I'm from GCCS. So today, now the AI data center and EVs are pushing the boundary like really crazy. So they need the device to be like really small and do everything faster. And the material now we are using, like silicon, is not able. It's actually they have the limit. So we believe that silicon carbide will be the answer, and we make actually pretty great silicon carbide wafer. So. Yes, we are now in Taiwan. We are the biggest scale company. We are the biggest supplier, and we actually, of course, 6-inch and 8-inch. We have already like massive. Achieved the massive production, and last year we launched the first 12-inch silicon carbide wafer in Taiwan, and I think I'm very proud of my team. And the industry problem these days is that we are relying too much on China, and I think we can become a very good solution of that. And so, if you anybody are interested.
Okay, our next one, nano solution, black solution. I was going to say nano solution. So I know him for 3 years. He's a really interesting personality. Make sure that you talk to him. And they also quite successful in Silicon Valley, and they got Silicon Catalyst. Yes. So just talk to him. Okay. Zach.
Hey, hang on. It's about 10 things to go. Okay, I'm Zach from Black Solution. I don't know if you know this one thing. Basically, almost everything embedded AI, right? Refrigerator, including AI, then toilet, including AI, and drone, definitely. There's something interesting about AI. Is once you compute it very fast, you will generate a lot of heat. And once you try to cool it down, then some electromagnetic signal, the noise disturbance, will come out. So we provide that solution both for thermal dissipating and also EMI noise suppression. So until now, we already provided solution for more than 2 million devices, including computers, wearable devices, and automotive devices. And now we move it to the industry of semiconductor chip packaging. And okay, the topic today is the drone anti-radar solution. We absorbed the more than 99% radar to keep the drone survive from the battlefield. And we have some sample there. We specifically looking for investor and the cooperation, mostly for aerospace and defense industry here. Okay, come to see me. Thank you. We're Black Solution.
Thank you, Zach. All right. Okay. Next one. I always want to say, like, I always think about Santa. So is that a name come from? No.
That's Santa. That is means H2O. You know. Oh, I just spent maybe 10 seconds to have my company's name. H2O2, hydrogen, everything. So I'm Benson, the founder of Ho Biotech, a cute name. But this means we are really focused on the hydrogen and the oxygen, and we put the hydrogen into the capsule. So this is the combat enhancement. What does that mean? That means if you have the hydrogen capsule for neural system, everything. So those is not just as a concept. It was approved by Taiwan FDA. And we have launched this product into Taiwan's biggest military hospital. So just a tiny capsule for a military ration. So this is a stage one. The next stage may be for a space ration. So we are hoped by the pioneer of dual spectrum enhancement, combat enhancement. I'm Benson from Ho. If you are searching for the, not combat, rejuvenation, cell energy, or much better life quality, just contact me. Thank you.
So I think we learned two things today. So first, have an interesting name of the company. And the second is if you are doing products and making sure that it's small enough that you can bring in the pocket. Yes. And even better, like when you try, I mean, when you do the presentation, just, yeah, that'll be cool. Okay. Let's welcome Gemtech.
Hi, I'm Kiki from Gemtech. He's our CEO, John, and he's standby at the booth. So anywhere you can find us. We are the semiconductor company focusing on the post-quantum security. Quantum computing advance, it will be really today's encryption, like RSA, ECC, will no longer be secure. So Gemtech solve this problem at hardware level. We have our own IP and IC solutions, and we provide PQC chips. This one. It's just like really tiny as a USB dongle, and it can easily plug into any device like drones, robotics dogs, or robotics. And we already have the leading ecosystem partners like Intel Foundry, Global Foundry, and ARM. So we are looking for strategy partners and investor in the U.S. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.
Perfect timing. Okay, our next one is Jen from Longlink. Are you ready? Yes.
I'll put my phone there. Hi, I'm Jane from Longlink Solutions. I'm the CEO and founder of Office Company, and we focus on the expandable drones, which means the one-time drone, the first-person view drones that are very easily consumable in battlefield. We do the communication layer inside. For communication layer, we specifically means the video transmission and the control link transmission inside. We do non-China policy. We focus on the critical gap between China and US, especially like after Ukraine-Russian war, the demand is growing rapidly. So we see the huge gap between it, and we are trying to fit the gap. So we win where in three different kinds of aspects. First is because we are 100% Taiwan made. We are NDAA US compliant. Second is because we provide a full communication stack, including different kinds of communication techniques, which include FM, analog, Wi-Fi, and also open source techniques. And the third one is because now, during the US-China conflict, like especially during the military field, we are quite the pioneer in the market. So we do design-ins with different UAV manufacturers. We do B2B market scale, and we are now trying to start up our business in US, so finding US partners and also raising a seed fund in US market. And trying to raise $2 million for 6 million, near 6 million revenue in our pipeline forecast. Thank you.
Okay. Our next one is Meta Rosita. So I have a story about them. Yes. Okay. So I went to Kaohsiung. Me and my team, we went to Kaohsiung to visit their office, and we actually, you know, what's Rosita mean? Like, yeah. So when they start the company, their professor actually give them a stone that presenting as Rosita to start the company. So it's really, really cool that when we were there and we were touching the stone and feel the energy of the company. So their team is really interesting. Make sure that talk to them and they have a really strong team.
Thank you, Jessie, for your introduction. And if let me give a quick hook. If you ask me what one of the key or enabling technology for future AI sensing or silicon photonics is, I would say MetaLens. Okay, hi, I'm Sherry. I'm from Meta Rosita. I'm co-founder and CEO of Meta Rosita. We provide a total MetaLens solution through our self-based system and allowing our clients to save over 50% in time and cost while enhancing competitiveness. But you will say, what is relevant for, right? If you are working on AI sensing, any sensing systems, and consumer electronics, you want your optical module smaller, lighter, and thinner, we can make it. And if you're working in thermal, like drone, defense applications, you want to replace traditional optics and reduce the reliance on expensive materials, and we can do that as well. If you're exploring the next generation silicon photonics optical communication, we can help to address the key like optical coupling challenges. So why we can do this, we develop our MetaLens systems to solve all of these kind of waveband problems. And it's a long story, right? So if this is interesting or anything relevant to your business, please come to me. I'd like to connect. Thank you. We are Meta Rosita. Thank you.
Thank you, Sherry. Remember, we need to go for a run. Remember? Sorry. No. That's okay. Okay, our next one is TriCut.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Anesh. You can call me Na. So TriCut is a physics twins co-researcher AI agent. So you can imagine that it's a senior researcher agent with we train with a lot of the deep with physics knowledge like flow mechanics or thermodynamic, this kind of or quantum physics, and also the industrial algorithm like or statistical method. So like in a semiconductor, like 20 people left, you will cost like 6 to 7 million and US dollar every year. But actually all these researchers, 70% of their time is working on this kind of like data or document organization or tool operation. So our agent could help the researcher to streamline everything, like from do the design of the experiment, DOE, and after design all this experiment they need to do, our agent could automatically run all this, like maybe 100 runs of the physics simulation, all this experiment. After all this physics simulation, our agent could collect the millions of records of data, use a proper statistical method to get the right indicator. Even more, based on this indicator, our AI could read a paper or internal research document for you to come out a complete, insightful report. Before, it might take weeks. Now, it's just like 10 minutes or 20 minutes to come out like academy level research reports to validate your hypothesis on your research path. Yeah. So yeah, if you're R&D now is the key to become the market leader in your industry. So if you're any research or R&D AI agent platform need, please come to our booth.
Thank you. Okay, I'm a cyclist. I also do triathlon, but really slow one. So 2 years ago, I met him, and I really want to buy the product. So let's introduce Hao Zhen.
Hi everyone, I'm Hao Zhen Technology. I'm the founder of this company, and my name is Kerry Wong. And we are doing some like this one. We collection the data from body. So you just go to the bike shop and you want to buy the new bike, and you will get a fitting. And then I got the data. As I got the data, I will using the data to collection and to make a biomechanics to make everyone's is fully customization. So I believe everyone got experience about riding the bicycle. So it must be you must be a stronger hand or right hand or left hand, right? So as usual, you got a stronger right leg or left leg. So when you're shaking your or a bicycle, it's wrong. Actually, you got injured. So we try to make everyone's different, individual bicycle training. That's how we do. And as you have, I'm looking forward to some American bike shop strategic partner. As you know, or you are riding a bicycle, I'm willing to share everything. Okay, looking for everyone's feedback. Thank you.
Okay. We have 3 to go. Holding there. Okay. Yours.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Xuan Chu, the co-founder and the CEO of Innosim Biotech. And we are doing the artificial intelligence of the affection. And compare with the traditional analysis instrument and the single gaze detector, we are just like the human nose to use the sensor array to form a profile for the odors, and we just identify the odors. We take several years to build up our affection platform, and we use the platform to collect data, build model, and identify gas. And we have proved in several applications, such as the defense toxin gas detection and the breath analysis for the disease identification and the food fermentation, like such as the coffee and tea. And now we are believe that the next generation for the this kind of the application is for the robotic. And it's just like to give the robotic the smelling of the smelling ability. So we are come here to just convert our product and platform to the USA and also find out the strategic partner for the robotic applications. Thank you.
Okay. So we actually have 2 more teams who's actually travel from LA to us, and then that's welcome Buffalo Biotech.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin. You can see one day your parents or your family in the hospital. The physician say the patient, the SpO2 is very low. You only wait the incubation and give it a ventilator or abandon to save. How you choose? You must choose the incubator because our product is a Viger solution. We can have the 1 minute to enhance the oxygen level, and we can help the patients have a 6 times survival rate. So next time, when you or your parents need this situation, please choose Buffalo solution. Thank you very much.
When you start the story, it's a little scary. But I think it's end up good. Okay, let's welcome our next one. So AI Lumi Q. It's a really cute name. I like it.
Hello, everyone. My name is Larry Lai. I'm the founder of AI Lumi Q. So we are the company, we designed a machine with AI integrated inside. And so this machine can produce the nanostructure materials directly based on itself, so that we don't need to acquire any engineers to do the optimization. And so we choose a very difficult materials to synthesize. So the material we choose is an infrared quantum dot. And this quantum dot can convert the light into electron or electron into the light. So it allowed us to integrate it on the CMOS wafer and to giving the to provide the semiconductor foundry for the next generation optical communication for the CPO and the AI center. And so it allowed us to reach 25 terabytes for a single chip. And the energy consumption rate is much lower compared to current technology. And we have a very long interconnect distance, and it can provide all the data centers application. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Larry. Okay, so we just finished here. Thank you. Just give you, a round of applause that we are here surviving, yes. Okay, so thanks everyone for staying with us. And so all the startup is outside. If you want to talk to someone but you don't remember or you cannot find them, there's also a floor plan outside, just, across the stairs. And same time, we give you a small token, small gift from Taiwan, right? Everyone got it when you register. So behind it, there's actually QR code. And if you are interested in any startup, there's a profile of the startup. There's also, if you have any interesting picture, please share with us. So there's also Instagram that you can tag along and then we will be able to see. And one more thing, and as you can see, there's a 101 tower cake, right? So we are going to, cut the cake. Or is there any other way of saying better of cut the cake instead? Oh, cake cutting ceremony. Okay, so we are doing 101 tower cake cutting ceremony. Okay, so let's just go outside and enjoy the conversation. Thank you for everyone coming.